Hi guys, myself P. Ramsachari from CSCC section. In this video, we will discuss about arc elasticity. Topics: Introduction, arc elasticity, advantages, conclusion. Introduction: Elasticity is an economic topic used to measure the change in the aggregate quantity demanded of a goods or service in relation to price movements of that good or service. A product is considered to be elastic if the quantity demand of the product changes more than the proportionally when its price increases or decreases. There are three major forms of elasticity. One is price elasticity, cross price, and another is income elasticity. This picture shows the different types of the elasticities. Arc elasticity. Arc elasticity is the sensitive of one variable to another between 2 points on a curve. It is often used in the context of law of demand to measure the inverse relationship between the price and the demand. Arc elasticity measures the responses of demand to price changes over a range of values. The the magnitude of change in price and demand is divided by its midpoint to arrive at measure of change over a curve rather than a point. Arc elasticity measures the sensitivity of demand relative to the midpoint rather than the original point. It gives the same value for price increases and decreases of equal amounts. If the magnitude of price changes is small, then it matters less whether arc elasticity or price elasticity is used for determining price increases or decreases. Arc elasticity is used in non-uniform pricing of measure the elasticity of demand and the price products in a way that the way maximize the profits. Let us know the formula of the arc elasticity. Arc elasticity is calculated as percentage change in the quantity demand with respect to midpoint divided by percentage change with respect to the midpoint. As we know that percentage demanded with respect to midpoint is calculated as D2 minus D1 by midpoint of D. And percentage of change with respect to midpoint is P2 minus P1 by midpoint P. The curve, the arc elasticity of demand shows the above curve shows the arc elasticity of demand. The x-axis gives the quantity and y-axis gives the price. The 2 points R1 and R2 are the 2 points at which the demand is calculated. The midpoint of these 2 points should be calculated and then we get the arc elasticity. Examples. Let us calculate the arc elasticity for an equal dollar price increases and decreases. Case 1. Price increases from $6 to $8. Quantity demand decreases from 40 units to 20 units. Next, case 2. Price decreases from $8 to $6. Quantity demanded increases from 20 units to 40 units. In the both cases, the elasticity remains at 2 points. From here, it's evident that the price increases and decreases of $2 increase the same sensitivity of demand for a common cluster. For the above example, the arc elasticity is calculated as D2 minus D1 divided by midpoint D. That is D2 is 20 minus 40 by 30. It gives 0.67. And price elasticity is calculated by P2 minus P1 divided by midpoint P is equals to 8 minus 6 divided by 7. That is 0.29. Then the ratio of the demand and the price is calculated as 0.67 by 0.29. Then arc elasticity is 2.3. Advantages. Arc elasticity is useful for larger price changes. It provides the same absolute elasticity measure when prices rise and fall. There are so many elasticities are there, but arc elasticity gives the more and it is useful for larger prices only. And also it provides absolute elasticity with price rise and fall. But in point elasticity, there uh, does not provide the absolute elasticity and prices rise and fall. Arc elasticity produces uh, same absolute elasticity. Conclusion. Arc elasticity is an alternative approach to measure elasticity rather than using price elasticity. We can also use the arc elasticity in the price quantity rather than using price elasticity based on whether elasticity is equal to greater than or less than 1. Demand is considered unit elasticity and inelasticity. Elasticity of demand can be used to understand a customer's willingness to pay and products in the way that maximize products. So this is all about the arc elasticity. Thank you.